It's your girl Suri here, back with yet another video. And before we even get into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag along talking, so let's get into this video.
We're not in the bag along talking.
It's done music.
You guys can see that I'm in the kitchen and I will be showing you guys how I prepared Sunday dinner today. So we have all of that, but I'll give you guys a close-up after, you know, I'm finished cooking and stuff. I've been in the kitchen. It's not like I cannot cook, you know, but I can't really, I never know that I could cook. That makes sense? As in, all my life it's either my mom or my sister that's been in the kitchen. Like, they have been the top chef in the kitchen. Basically, they have, you know, planned Sunday dinner and all of that. So, and when I was younger, like, I couldn't stand the raw meat. Like, the scent, to see it, I couldn't stand it at all. If my mom wanted to bring me to market when I was a little girl, I did not want to go. If she go into the fish market, I did not want to go with her because the scent, everything. And that they just like pull me back from not wanting to learn to cook. And then I went to a boarding school, so during that time, you know, there's no really, like, I go to school during the week, I'm at school 24/7 during the week, so there's not much time for me to like learn how to cook. So like when I started living with my mom and sister now, like, seeing my mom and my sister now in the kitchen, you know, you learn little tips and tricks, but you don't know if you can really apply. So in this video, I am going to see if I can really apply what I have learned and or what I have observed from them cooking in the kitchen. So today on the menu, we're gonna have sweet chili shrimp, escovitch fish, pumpkin rice, and potato salad. And I'm gonna see if I mastered it, if I can do it all by myself. You'll probably hear me ask my mom for a little help here and there, but regardless, I'm the one in the kitchen. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and let's get into it. So you get your fish from the fish market. The type of fish all depends on you and what type of fish you like. Here I have the red snapper and I am just scaling it. Again, from the fish market, they will scale it, but sometimes they don't really scale it that perfectly. So going over it a second time won't really do any harm. So after you're finished scaling the fish, you want to get your white vinegar and your lemon juice and just wash the fish with it about 1 to 2 times. That will just cut out the rawness of the fish. So now everything is scaled, washed, and now it's time to put the dry seasoning. You have salt, adobo seasoning, black pepper, the Mrs. Dash, cayenne pepper, the fish seasoning. And I am a person, I don't measure, so I would go off what I know best. And when seasoning, you want to make like a slash on the side of the fish and just get this dried seasoning in there, the mixed dry seasoning in there, in the head, in the gut, just to make it really well seasoned. I poured a decent amount of oil in the pot, and I'm going to just wait for it to get hot enough. And when it gets hot enough, I'll put a pepper in there, and then you hear my mommy in the background, she's on the phone with my sister. But anyways, I'm gonna put a pepper in there and start frying my fish, but I have to wait until it's really hot, because that way the fish will, you know, do properly and not burn, I guess. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to clean up because you have to ride and whistle, you know. You just can't wait until you're finished cooking to clean up, or else you're going to have a lot of stuff to clean up, and you don't want that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll get back to you guys when I know that my oil is hot enough and ready. Okay, so it's hot now, so I have to be very careful. I'm gonna put the pepper in. No, I have my fish and paper towel, so I'm gonna not just tap it a little bit to get out any excess water. Just a little. Mommy, should I wait until the pepper burn, or it not hot yet? Guys, you heard my mommy say, she said it don't hot yet. I don't know how hot she want this to be. Mommy, it burning the pepper. You sure it not hot yet? It a burning pepper. You sure it not? It hot? Mommy, it hot, man, it hot.
One more little minute.
Mommy. Mommy, it's scary, it hot.
Right. I don't drop it and fresh up.
I know.
Push it as close as you want. Go on. Push in, push in. It's okay. And I put them head and tail. So that's fine. Next one you put now you're putting head down. So
See?
the next one you're putting head down.
The other way.
Yeah. You can do 3 at a time.
These fish are. If you see big one, them are basically medium size.
I know them one they bad. Them may have really bad, but the others that really bad sounds like a woman.
Yeah, maybe I look see. Me ask me if I this is smallest we have anything here. So while the fish is being fried, I decided to go ahead and start deveining, so-called deveining the shrimp. For me, it is very important that I do that because that black thing that they so-called the vein, it is actually its intestinal tract, which basically contains the shrimp's poop. So I'm getting rid of all of that, and then I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the fish. I'm going to wash it with vinegar and lemon juice, and then I'm gonna seasoning, but this time I'm gonna use my own blended seasoning, which you guys will see in a bit. So you have washed the shrimp and everything, and now you get your blender, and in the blender you put like half of a large onion, 1 garlic, scallion, thyme, pimento seed, and a little bit of white vinegar just to give it that pasty feeling. And then you're gonna put it season the shrimp with that, and that will just get it really well seasoned. So after blending your blended seasoning together, you're gonna put that on top of the shrimp, and then you're gonna put your adobo seasoning, your fish seasoning, your garlic paste. You're gonna put a little bit of browning, and then you're gonna add your sweet chili sauce, whichever one is good, and you just press it down and massage it into the shrimp to just get the shrimp well seasoned and nice, because you want the shrimp to taste delicious, okay? Now that you have prepared your shrimp to be cooked, you're going to get your baking tin, and you're going to just spread butter all over the bottom of it, and you're going to layer out your shrimp on to the baking tin and put it into the oven to be baked. Shrimp don't really take long to cook, so you don't really need a long time. Maybe like 10 to 15 minutes or like 20 minutes tops. But you just test it and check on your shrimp every now and then. I also forgot to add, after like baking, say you check on the shrimp for like in the next 10 minutes, you're going to like mix the sweet chili sauce and a little bit of honey, and then you're going to add that over on the top of the shrimp again and leave it for another like 5 minutes to be cooked. So that way it will give you that thick, sticky, sweet chili feeling. Okay, so now that the shrimp is being baked, the fish is being fried, I got started on my pumpkin rice. So I try to cut it in half. Then I'm gonna get the grater and just grate it into small pieces. And then after I'm finished grating it, the same way how I would like prepare any rice, I would just prepare it that way. However, I would just add the pumpkin in it. So guys, this is what we did. This is the finishing product. You know, we have pumpkin rice there. We have some potato salad there, the sweet chili shrimp, and the fish, escovitch fish. So let me know guys in the comments, what do you think? How did I do? I'm gonna probably share at my mom's dinner and get her review because she is
already.
You have to give your review. Presentation, how much I give it?
10 out of 10.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, I could bring just on the 9 3/4.
For your shrimp?
That means some vegetable.
Oh, yeah, would I need some vegetable?
Green vegetable.
Oh, okay. Alright. You taste the shrimp, how much?
The shrimp.
How much would I rate it?
9. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Why 1?
Me personally, it's nice. 9.5 out of 10.
No, like, no, you can't give me, because this is for the future, like, you know, when me I cook for that special husband in the future, me want it perfect, so, what I want.
A little salty.
It's a little salty.
I'm gonna take too much, maybe put too much seasoning. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I threw this not soak seasoning, shrimps and fish.
Yeah.
I'm not doing a soak seasoning like meat, like chicken.
Yeah.
So, if we put less seasoning, panic, I will never put on salt, but the seasoning is salt.
Okay. A potato.
10 out of 10.
The fish.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And rice.
Is a 9 out of 10.
9 and
9 and 3
10 out of 10. I come out good.
Okay. So, guys, you
It's
hear
yummy.
it? My mom.
Rice now have no salt, but I love it like that because it counteract with.
You like it balance it out. Oh,
It's good.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, guys, you heard my mom rate my cooking. Okay, alright, I'm ready for the grown-up world now. But that was that. I am looking a bit raggedy, so I'm about to go have a shower and probably eat my dinner. Like, I don't know if it's like me, but cooking, if I cook, it's gonna take a while for me to eat. I can't eat like directly after. I don't know, but that's that. I'm very proud of myself. Like, it's like, you know that you can do something, but until you do it, you don't really know. You know, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense, but that makes sense to me. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share, comment and tell me, like, what would you have done differently, or, you know, some tips, tricks, whatever. Just comment down there. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And we're out.